Here are your top 10 evening news updates. Let's begin in Mumbai, where Maharashtra Minister Pratap Sarnaik sparked headlines after accusing certain groups of trying to create division between Marathi-speaking and Hindi-speaking communities for political gain. Speaking about a recent boycott involving Marathi literatures and rickshaw unions, Sarnaik warned that attempts to turn language identity into political conflict would not be allowed to succeed. And while Maharashtra debated identity politics, NCP-SP leader Rohit Pawar accused the BJP of preparing a polarizing campaign ahead of the Uttar Pradesh elections. Pawar claimed the ruling party would focus on religious narratives instead of discussing issues like inflation, rising petrol and diesel prices, unemployment, and women's safety. Meanwhile, in Kerala, Minister K. Muralidharan indicated that the state government is open to providing land to the centre if requested for any future project. He said both the state and central governments are ready for cooperation, hinting that major developments could arrive very soon. But one of the biggest interstate flashpoints tonight comes from Tamil Nadu. Under the leadership of Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay, the state held an emergency consultation with Kaveri Water and legal experts regarding Karnataka's proposed Bhumi Puja for the Mekedatu Dam project. The Kaveri issue has once again become politically explosive, with fears that water-sharing tensions between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu could intensify. In Bihar, RJD leader Sudhakar Singh triggered controversy while responding to West Bengal's animal slaughter law debate. Singh argued that animal sacrifice exists across multiple religions, including Hindu traditions during festivals like Durga Puja and Ram Navami, while also accusing the BJP of selective politics on food and cultural issues. Meanwhile, in Delhi, Mehrauli police busted a major interstate illegal liquor smuggling racket. Officials recovered liquor stock worth nearly 1.5 crore rupees, along with 154 boxes of illegal alcohol, and arrested 3 accused. DCP Anant Mittal said the operation exposed a wider interstate smuggling network. In Haryana, Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar claimed there is no nationwide electricity shortage and said local outages are mainly state-level problems. He also backed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal for fuel conservation and reducing unnecessary petrol and diesel use. Meanwhile, in Himachal Pradesh, the Health Department launched awareness drives on HPV vaccination in schools. BMOKL Bhagat assured parents that myths surrounding the vaccine are baseless and stressed that HPV vaccination plays a critical role in protecting girls from cervical cancer. In Punjab, State Election Commissioner Raj Kamal Chaudhary announced detailed preparations for upcoming voting, saying strict monitoring measures are in place to ensure fair elections. Political parties have also been allowed to monitor strong rooms to avoid any controversy. And finally, in West Bengal, Union Minister Virendra Kumar echoed PM Modi's call for reducing dependence on petrol and diesel vehicles. He urged citizens to use public transport more frequently, saying fuel savings today could become a major economic advantage for India in the future. Stay connected for more updates.